I was backpacking all across Western Europe during a break while studying abroad, and about half the time I was with friends and the other half I was on my own. I spent a few days in Amsterdam with some buddies, and then was continuing on to Berlin alone on an overnight train. I got super high before boarding the train, and had never taken an overnight trip before, so I didn't exactly know what to expect. As I got to my car, I was walking behind this girl who just embodied perfection. Amazing curves, perfect tan skin, yoga pants showing off all assets, etc. I walked behind her down the corridor, and to my surprise she turned into my compartment. Holy shit, I got to share a room with this goddess. We put down our bags, introduced ourselves, sat down and started chatting. For about 20 minutes it was just the two of us getting to know each other, and we really connected. She was a Brazilian flight attendant traveling on her own. The whole time she seemed to be extremely flirtatious with me, but I just attributed it to a Brazilian cultural thing of possibly being overly friendly, or maybe it was because I was high as balls. Regardless, I reciprocated her flirting and could tell we really liked each other. Soon thereafter, a Dutch couple joined us in our room, and we all got to know each other and joking around, telling stories and whatnot. But the whole time this girl kept making prolonged eye contact, giggling at my jokes, and seemingly making an effort to sit extra close to me. We all made a few trips back and forth to the bar car over the course of the night and got a pretty good buzz going, and eventually we decided it was time to try and get a couple hours of sleep. The Dutch couple went off to the bathroom to get ready for bed, leaving me and this girl alone again chatting. Somehow in the conversation, the differences in Western Europeans from different countries came up, and she said something along the lines of "I love the Dutch and Germans, they're also attractive and the women are beautiful." Now was my chance. I responded with "Yeah they are, but none of them are as beautiful as you." She blushed and gave me the eyes, so I leaned across the bunk bed and kissed her. She grabbed me and absolutely went to town on me, hardcore making out, grinding on me, groping me. It was incredible. That lasted about 5 minutes until the Dutch couple came back and we jumped back across to our separate bunks and played it off like nothing happened. To this day, even though we didn't really go beyond making out, that beautiful Brazilian flight attendant, who was probably around 3 or 4 years older than me, is my favorite hookup story.